Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Journey Diaries with Ashish. Today I'm very grateful that I am here at Adi Yogi Chikballapur in Bangalore. From Bangalore, if I just talk about, it is 60 kilometer far from Bangalore. Today, right now the time is 8 o'clock or just I had the darshan here and you can see right now this is the Lord Shiva statue in Adi Yogi, Chikballapur, that is inaugurated by the Satguru in 2023. This is the replica of the main statue that is in Coimbatore, or it is in Chikballapur in Bangalore, guys. So here, first of all, I am very lucky that I reached here at 8 o'clock. First of all, I am greeted by the drizzling here. The weather was so nice here, and you can see the huge crowd here right now. 8 o'clock. Just we had the aarti. I will show you after some time. So here you can see, or this is the Adi Yogi statue. You can see behind me, or I'm gonna show you what is the how is the ambience here. Let me show you.
Being up here in the upper regions of the Himalayas, no one knew who he was, where he came from.
Here you can see this is the Lord Shiva statue. Upstairs you can see the huge crowd. They all are there for the photography purpose or for the blessing purpose of this bleak Lord Shiva statue. Here you can see the huge crowd, guys. This is the ambience here at 8 o'clock right now. You know, this place is surrounded by the hills, or it is on the height, so that's why weather is so nice here. I don't know it is showing or not. You can see the hills this side. I think it's not visible properly, but you know, the weather is so nice here. Just recently 10 minutes before, you can see here we just had the drizzling here. In front of the statue you can see the Lord Shiva's cow Nandi. Here in the display you can see it is all about Adi Yogi. What is the activities are happening here, they are just showing in the camera. Just see the ambience, guys. Every visitors, every person is enjoying here. Everyone is taking pictures here in the darkness. Near to statue, here you can see some stalls. Here you can buy related to the god Shiva. This is the bookstore, and let's go this side. What we can find out here. At this side, you can see some cows, guys. People are just taking pictures with them, with their cute babies. They are just holding cows and taking pictures. They all are looking very beautiful. And now you can feel the air here. Just look at the trees. They are just shaking because of the air. Here I am just feeling cold. Let's go this side. Here we can get the restaurant where I think we can have the food or dinner. Here we can get the drinking water. I think this is the only one restaurant here, so that's why everyone is enjoying, or they are just having dinner or little bit stuff here. So that's why you can see the huge crowd here. You can see, I think this is the where we have to take the token, or from after that we can get anything whatever we want to eat. You can see, guys, this is my ghee masala dosa that I took from this didi, and let me show you the ambience. Here you can see it's really delicious, guys. Hello guys, I'm visible or not, I don't know, but if I just talk about the ambience is so nice here. Just I took masala dosa or one tea. If I just talk about the taste, it was so delicious. It was so delicious. I have to pay 110 rupees for masala dosa, ghee masala dosa, or 30 rupees for tea. But if I just talk about taste, no compromise, guys. Literally, it was very good. Yeah, in the darkness, I'm not able to visible, but right now the time is 9:10. After 5 minutes, the Sen Aarti is going to conduct here. So we will see together. After that, I will go from here. Everyone is enjoying here. I'm just sitting. And you know, temperature is getting down here. Right now, I think 18 or 19 degrees centigrade. I don't know. But literally, in this t-shirt, I'm just feeling cold here because of the drizzling, because of the height here. Weather is so nice right now. थोड़ा थोड़ा मतलब shivering हो रहा है because of the cold weather. Here you can see the Lord Shiva statue, and after 5 to 10 minutes the Sen Aarti is going to conduct. So that's why I'm just waiting for that Aarti. So guys, just recently I just took part in the Sena Aarti. It was so peaceful and relaxing. Every person was chanting Har Har Mahadev, or it was so relaxing. I enjoyed with them, or it was a mesmerizing experience for me. I don't know am I visible or not. So guys, finally it's time to end my blog. Here I've just shown you everything, whatever I just see. In the starting I just see the Trishul at the gate. When I entered, then I just took part in the Darshanam Aarti. Then I just visited all the area here. So finally, I enjoyed here. Now, right now the time is 9:30 around. I have to go again Bangalore. Okay, then let me find out how I can go from here, because I don't know bus or any transportation is available or not. So thank you so much guys for connecting with me. We will meet in the next vlog. Take care of you. Bye bye.